Robert Hogan. I have a PhD in psychology from UC Berkeley. I'm really interested in the nature of human nature, why people do what they do when they do it, because life is about competition. Competitiveness is biology. Everything in nature competes. Life is about competition, full stop. Snails compete, plants compete, birds compete, everybody competes. There's two kinds of competition. There's competition within the group for status, power, and control of resources, and there's competition between the groups for survival. I like this metaphor. At time one, humans are living in the forest. You're living in this part of the forest, and they're living in that side of the forest. Now, within your group, there's all sorts of competition for who's going to get laid and who's not, who's going to have the control of the resources, who's going to say what. But and there's another group in another part of the forest where the same kind of competition is going on. At some point, the people in the other part of the forest decide they like your part of the forest better than their part, and they'll come to see you. And when they come to see you, they don't bring their lawyers. And if they succeed in occupying your part of the forest, you're gone, you're toast, you're empty. They'll not only kill you, they'll probably eat you. And if they killed you and they've eaten you, you disappear from the gene pool. It doesn't matter how much status you have inside your group. If the other group takes you over, you're done. You're through. So the bigger picture is the competition between groups, not within groups. There's a thing called a team killer. That's a person who competes equally with his or her own teammates, as well as directing competition to the outside. All significant human achievement depends on the efforts of a team. Team killers are utterly corrosive to the process and have to be eliminated. In every human group, at some point, a bully will emerge. Someone will come up who wants to take over the group. It's inevitable. It's a law of human groups that bullies, team killers will always emerge. The 49ers right now have a real problem with Deebo Samuel. American politics has a real problem with Donald Trump. He's a seriously divisive force at the very top. It's a systemic problem. All significant human achievement is a function of group effort. And team killers, with out of control internal competition, destroys teams, puts you at the mercy of your adversaries. American culture, from its very beginnings, has been highly individualistic. It's all about self-enhancement, self-growth, self-promotion, self-development. But that has to be done in the context of a group. You quickly get into religion here, but what's meaningful life? Well, I think it's having a proper and meaningful role to play in a larger group is what gives life meaning.